Dear students, today we will study the computer ethics. Nowadays, computers have become a very important part of our life. It is one of the great inventions which made human life easy. But with all the advantage, it is also being used by some people to cause harm. We must follow some computer ethics to work on computers. Now, what are ethics? Ethics are the set of rules and regulations that govern an individual or a group, the acceptable behavior while using a computer or internet. Computers are being used in almost all fields such as business, entertainment, education, etc. Some people violate these rules for the sake of fun and money. There are few rules you should keep in mind while working in the world of computers. Computer ethics deals with intellectual property rights, copyright, software piracy, and privacy. Intellectual property rights. When you buy something, it becomes your property. Your property is protected by law and you have a right over your property. Similarly, intellectual property is a category of property that includes intangible creation of the human intellect or mind. Therefore, it is illegal if anyone uses those ideas and thoughts without the permission of its owner. Next is copyright. The dictionary defines copyright as a person's exclusive right to reproduce, publish, or sell his or her original work of authorship, such as literary, musical, dramatic, artistic, or architectural work. Copyright is a form of intellectual property protection provided by the laws of United States. The primary objective of copyright law is to protect the time, effort, and creativity of the creator's work. Software piracy. Software piracy is the illegal copying, distribution, or use of software. Under copyright law, software piracy occurs when copyright protected software is copied, distributed, modified, or sold. Software piracy causes significant lost revenue for publishers, which in turn results in higher prices for the customers. Software piracy applies mainly to full function commercial softwares. Types of software piracy. There are mainly five types of software piracies: counterfeiting, internet piracy, end user piracy, client server overuse, and pre installed software piracy. Counterfeiting is a type of piracy which includes illegal duplication, distribution, and sale of copyright material. Internet piracy occurs when software is downloaded from the internet. End user piracy occurs when an individual reproduces copies of a software without authorization. Client server overuse occurs when too many users on a network are using a central copy of the program at the same time. Pre-installed software piracy occurs when a business sells new computers with illegal copies of pre-installed software on the hard disk to make the purchase of the machines more attractive. Next is privacy. It is a state in which one is not observed or disturbed by other people. It is an important aspect of life. It is illegal to go against the privacy of any other person without their consent. And if you are permitted to view someone's information, you should not disclose it to other people.